When you buy a light bulb, there are two things that are important that you have to look at. That is how many watts. This one is 75 watts. And the brightness in lumens. This one is 1300 lumens. This one is how much energy it's going to use. In the old light bulbs, like these ones, the old ones like this kind here, the old type, if it said 100 watts, then it was 100 watts. That's the only number you could see there in the watts. But now they show you 100 watts, but it's only using 72 watts. In this one, it's 75 watts and it uses only 19 watts. So the watts means that how much you want to pay for the energy for the light. 75 watts. If you have a 25 watt light bulb compared to a 75 watt light bulb, the 75 watt you're going to pay 3 times more electricity than for the 25 watt light bulb. But here the 75 watt doesn't mean anything anymore, so this is useless. You have to look at it's only using 19 watts. So this is what you're going to pay the watts, 19 watts. For example, in this one here, it says 100 watts, but you pay, it's only 23 watts consuming. So you pay only for 23 watts. This doesn't mean anything. There's no use. I don't know why they even put that. 100 watts doesn't mean anything. So this is one thing. The second thing you have to look at is at the lumens. This is what it says here. 1600 lumens. This is the amount of light that the light bulb is going to give you. I have a comparison here. I have two light bulbs. They're both 100 watts here. This one says 100 watts, but you're going to pay for 72 watts, using 72 watts of electricity, of energy. But the second thing you have to look at the lumens here. This one is going to give you 1150 lumens of light, compared to this one. This is also supposedly a 100 watt light bulb. It uses only 23 watts, but it has 1600 lumens. So you're going to have much more light with this one than with this one. It's only 1150. It says 100 watts, which doesn't mean anything. Here you're going to spend 72 watts of energy, and here you spend only 23 watts of energy. So it's much cheaper to use this one, and you have more light than this one. So this one is more expensive to use, you pay more electricity, and you have less light than these ones. So both things you have to look at. The energy, how much you're going to pay for your electricity, and how many lumens, how much light that the light is going to give you. Now compared to this one here, this one is 75 watts, this one is 100 watts, and it has 1150 lumens. This one is only 75 watts, it's smaller, and it has more light, 1300 lumens. So don't look at the watts to look for the strongest light, just look at the lumens. That's going to tell you which light bulb is going to give you more light. This one, I have more light, it's only 75 watts, actually it's only 19 watts. 1300 lumens. Here I have 72 watts. It's like how many times more? Like 3 times more or 4 times more. And I have less light. Here I have only 1150 lumens. Here I have 1300 lumen, 75 watt. This is 100 watt. So that's what you have to look at when you buy light bulbs. Look at how much energy is it consuming and how many lumens, how much light it's going to give you. Thank you for watching.